Champions of CAT Coding Aptitude Test. Anyone can code. By calling all coders and non-coders, 98th Percentile has enriched hundreds of students who participated in a coding challenge called CAT Coding Aptitude Tournament organized by 98th Percentile. Content at ease. The content of the questions was not completely centered around specific code, rather more about the methodology behind coding. Wholesome advice imparted. Apart from the interview, students who participated in CAT received booklets with tips and tricks for success, sample competition questions, and blogs with loads of valuable information about coding and technology. Conquerors of the event: Triaksha, Isa, Chakresh bagged 3rd rank, Ananya, Arjun Sripal, Tishia got 2nd, and Rianshi, Slok, Arnav won the winner's title for the grades 1 and 2, grades 3 and 4 and grades 5 and 6 respectively. Intangible benefits. As the above 9 contestants earn their prizes of gift cards and scholarships up to $1,000, all other contestants are left with participation certificates and countless intangible benefits. For more such mega events, visit at 98thpercentile.com.